What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Boarding School. I am Lucas.
I'm Ajay.
And this is our first ever actual skate video. I'm going to be doing most of the skateboarding today. We're going to be teaching you guys the 3 most basic tricks, but also the 3 most important tricks, because you'll have to learn all these in order to progress to your fullest extent in skateboarding. So we're going to be taking a look at all of it and showing you guys what's good.
I'm going to be doing commentating, and I'm going to also be learning about how to ride a skateboard better, and also teach you guys how to get more comfortable at riding the skateboard.
Alright, I hope you guys like the video. Check it out. Go.
The first trick here today is an ollie, and we're going to be teaching you the foot placement. So what you want to do with your front foot is put it roughly in the middle of the board. And with your back foot, you want to put the ball of your foot on the back of the tail. It's going to be a 3-step motion. So what you're going to do with your back foot is stomp down. Your other foot, you're going to put at roughly a 90-degree angle, slide it up, which will bring the board into an ollie. And that's roughly what you're going to need to know to do an ollie. Second trick we got here today is a 180 foot demonstration. So what you want to do with your front of your foot is put it roughly in the middle of the board. In the back of your foot, you're going to put the ball of your foot on the end of the tail. And then what you want to do is when you pop the back, you want to rotate your arms to the way you want to go and your head all at once, and then at the same time, you want to slide your foot up and into the direction that you are turning, which is going to make the board do a 180. And then you land it. Alright, the third trick we got here today is a pop shove it. We're going to be teaching you the foot placement for it. So what you want to do with your front foot is you can put it in the middle, roughly. It doesn't really matter where you want, but I recommend the middle. And with your back foot, you're going to put it in that little pocket. And then you want to make sure your toes are off the edge a little bit. And then what you're going to want to do is with your back foot, pop it back. And then you want to scoop it back. Move your front foot out of the way. Scoop it back, which is going to make it do a pop shove it.
Alright guys, this is fast trick tips, and we're going to be teaching Archie how to ride a skateboard here.
I don't really know how to ride a skateboard, and we're just going to be teaching you some quick tips on how to ride the skateboard. So,
that's him riding now. Archie, you're riding the board backwards. You have to ride it straight. Make sure your front foot is facing forward and your back foot is on sideways, right? And you're going to push off. And bend your leg. Better.